Hey, welcome to this Python course where I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to get started programming in Python. Here's why you need to start programming in Python today. Python is widely regarded as one of the most popular programming languages available, making it an in-demand programming language by job seekers. If you're aiming to get paid the big bucks or automate aspects of your life, Python is the ideal choice for you. Honestly, more and more developers are moving their projects over to Python because it's such a powerful and such an easy-to-use language. A lot of programming languages are not user-friendly. There's a lot of syntax, a lot of little things that if you get them wrong, the program will yell at you. But good news, Python is the complete opposite of that. Basically, you just have to tell it what you want to do and Python does it. It's that simple. There isn't a whole lot of syntax to learn and the learning curve is literally zero. You jump in and start writing your first program in seconds. In this course, I'm going to teach you everything you need to know to get started programming in Python. I've designed this course especially for Python, and each lesson has been designed with examples that will help you along the way. So with so many people learning Python, the question isn't why should you learn Python? The question is why shouldn't you? And I think for a lot of people, the reason they might not want to learn Python is because they're intimidated or they think it's going to be too hard. But trust me, I'm going to hold your hand through this entire course and we're going to talk about the core concepts in Python. We're going to look at everything you need to know to get started programming in Python and start being confident and start writing programs that are awesome and that will do really cool things. Anyways, I'm super pumped to be teaching you guys how to program in Python. I can't wait to get started and I hope you guys stick around and follow along with this course and learn this amazing programming language. And that brings us to the end of this video. If you enjoyed or found this video helpful in any way, shape or form, then consider leaving a like and subscribing. Turn on post notifications to be the first to know when I upload a new video. Also, if you have any constructive criticism or any questions or anything, comment them down below. And until next time, thanks for watching. Peace.